This is the car in which today we will go to our tourist destination. And today's destination is Shishri Riverside, and it was so beautiful sight. Hope that today's trip will be the best trip in my life. And here you can see my daughter is sitting inside of the car. And now I will go get in the car and then we will start the car. We are in the car and we are watching outside. It's a road trip and we are in the car and enjoying the views of outside. So nice and everything. Sunny day, beautiful weather. It's really amazing and we really enjoy it so much. My two lovely daughters around me. One is my one daughter, another is my friend's daughter. Today they have put lipsticks, they put makeup in their own self. Both of them looks adorable and beautiful today. Look, they are enjoying a lot with me and it's very fantastic moment for them to enjoy. We have got the Pasigar. Pasigar is one of the renowned town in Arunachal Pradesh, and it is a very popular for its airport. And within a few seconds, we will get the airport. Here, this is the airport in Pasigar. This is the airport. From here, we can go to Guwahati and many other part of the country. So it is a beautiful airport we can see now, and we are passing by this airport. It's very here next to this airport there is a fire brigade office, and we can see this. And by this way, we have to go to our destinations, and we are just going. In the middle of our destinations, we get Silok. Then here I will share a very important information that Silok village. Do you know Silok? Silok is a village in Mebo Tehsil in North Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh. This is one of the cleanest villages in Arunachal Pradesh. It is located 37 km towards from district headquarters Pasigar. Really, we are fortunate that we can enjoy such a beautiful sight in our life. Really, it's so clean. You can see the side, everything is here so clean, and in a systematic way, people put all these things here. This is the place where we are taking a little bit rest here. And we can see the road. This is the road in which we have to go to our destinations. We can see it clearly now. It's very clear. We stop here for a small shopping, and here the shops, and from this very shop we buy some things, and after this we see it. We can see the places here. This is a side of, maybe it's a village, but looks good. And here, after doing this and after shopping, we are coming back to our car, and this is our car. We will get in and then we will go. Just a little bit time. After this little bit time, we will get a turn and then we will get our destination. Yeah. This is the final destination. Okay, this is finally we have got our destination. This is the place. This is the breeze. In this breeze, from this breeze, we can see the view. This is the breeze. We are just crossing the breeze. Okay. Now we are going to the down and towards the down. We will go over there, and I'm just holding the camera with my daughter. My daughter is in my lap, and now I'm just walking and going down. And the whole team will go with us. The breeze over the river that connects one hill to another is man-made pristine. It's a really amazing sight you can see. Wow. Look the mountain. The majestic mountain range seems to reach all the way to the clouds. This very spectacular sight attracts the tourists for its highest level of beauty. The people from various places across the country come here to visit, and the blue rushing water makes us rejuvenating. And if it's just following this, you can see it. Its beauty. It's really blue. Yeah, besides us, some tourists have come and they are taking selfies and enjoying the sights. To go to this very water. Here the three fishers have come for fishing. Here this is a new technique of fishing. This is called electrofishing technique, and this is not very popular in India. But the process of this fishing is, first one man has put electric shock to the fishes, then fish became stunned, and then the another boy or another one capture it or catch it by their net, and this way they capture the fishes, and this is fishing, and this is called electrofishing technique. Wow, here cooking is done. The smell of curry is coming. Wow, it's so mind blowing. Oh, so delicious maybe. Every time I fall in love with this site, it's just the really fantastic and very outstanding sight I have ever seen in my life. This sight, it's really, and this is the sun shading time, and this is our team, and I have returned with my daughter and beautiful daughter. And here they are walking on the bridge, and we can see they are going. They are in the pavement of the bridge, and they are walking. Two lovely daughters, they are walking and they're running actually on the pavement of the bridge. And here from this above level of the bridge, we can see the river flowing. That is blue water here flowing. We can see the sand. We can see the stones. This is the land of white sands and stones. And here we can see the water flowing. It's going very rush. This water gives us another kind of immense pleasure to us. And here these various spectacular sites attract the tourist for its highest level of beauty. The people from various places across the country come here to visit and enjoy its best. And here some tourists we can see, they compelled to stand here to watch this beautiful view, and they are taking selfies. We can see they are taking selfies. And this is the place, this is the beauty that always attracts. And here this is the rivers. We can see clearly the blue water here. See? Are you going home back? Why, baby? Okay, this is the end of the day. And the end of your picnic party.
It's becoming dark.
Oh, it's becoming dark. Okay, baby. So where will you go? Home. Enjoying a lot. Just we are on the way home, and now everybody will come very soon here. What do you say?
This is not our car. This is someone's car. This is our car.
Oh, this is not our car. Their one is our car. Oh, it looks same, and that's why. Okay, then move to there, baby. Okay. Yes. Can you get up yourself?
No, mummy, papa. नहीं आएगा.
Spending the whole day in the picnic spot with my daughter and my friends. Now we have come to the parking point. With a few moments, everyone will be here, and we all will be assembled here, and after that we will getting in the car and we will leave for our place tonight. So it was so exciting, and it was a thrilling day that we spent a very beautiful day today, because we enjoy a lot the beauty of nature. It's really, the panoramic view of this area was so nice. So I wish that everybody could get a chance to come here and enjoy this beautiful, divine, and hugely astounding, beautiful place, splendid place, and hope that everybody will enjoy after coming here. This is the place in Arunachal Pradesh, and everybody knows it very well that Arunachal Pradesh is rich in natural beauty. So here a lot of hills and a lot of rivers, streams, and beautiful sight of all you can enjoy here. So I'm welcome again to this very beautiful place to come and enjoy the beautiful side of these beautiful places.